Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is the Belpatra plant. Do you know this plant is considered as lucky for your house? It's also used to pray Lord Shiva. We actually planted this plant from seeds. It's been almost 1 year since we planted this plant from seeds. So we decided that we repot this plant before the monsoon season. We are going to share how we repotted our plant and a few tips. After only a year of this plant growing out of seeds, we noticed that this plant had really big roots. That's why before repotting this plant into a bigger pot, we decided to hard prune the roots. Actually, the best time to prune these plants is spring and rainy season. But we did not do it in the spring season, which is why we are doing it right now. We are actually also transferring this plant into a bigger pot. Earlier, this plant was in a 6 inches pot, which is now in an 8 inches pot. For the soil, we gave some garden soil. Actually, as it is already raining in Delhi, there is no dry soil, so we had to repot it into a little moist soil. After repotting, we decided to do some hard pruning of the stem so that the plant gets bushier and healthier. After hard pruning of this plant, we have to keep one thing in mind, which is that we cannot place it in a sunny area. Try to keep this plant in a semi-shaded area for at least 4 to 5 days. Look, within 10 days our plants have already started having some new stems. After 10 days, we placed it in a sunny area. As this plant is used for puja purposes, many of us prefer not giving any kind of manure or kitchen waste to this plant. So instead, what should we give to our plants? Actually, it is the best to give tea leaf compost or leaf compost to this plant. As I have already mentioned in the earlier videos, before giving any kind of fertilizer or manure, you must always dig the soil of the plant. Also, while digging, make sure that you remove the weeds. Otherwise, the weeds will take all of the plant's nutrition and it will hamper the plant's health. Right now, as this plant will only have leaves, tea leaf compost is the best for this plant. Recently, we uploaded a video on how you can make leaf compost, that too out of your garden waste. So if you wish, you can check out that video. Look, just as this plant gets new branch, we prune it again. Because last time the branches did not come out the way we expected it to come out. But after pruning it again, the branches are coming out way better. Now let me answer some commonly asked questions about this plant. First is that what type of soil is the best for this plant? Actually, well-draining soil with garden soil, sand and compost is best for this plant. Next is that what is the best season to plant Belpatra? Actually, monsoon season is the best time to plant this plant. Another frequently asked question is that can Belpatra survive in partial shade? Yes, it can, but the growth will be a little weak. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.